child today. Jolly Phonics, the easy way to reach. Jolly Phonics, a short good way to teach. Jolly Phonics, a fun-filled way to learn. Jolly Phonics, for every child today.
Hello jolly children. Welcome to another edition of our Jolly Phonics video learning sessions. I'm so excited to see you here again. Are you excited to learn something new today? Okay, before we begin our sound lesson for today, I would like us to revise some of our previously learned sounds. In fact, I want us to read a word together. Are you excited? Okay, let's go. Jolly children, what sound is this? Eh. Can you say it again? Eh. Can you show me the action for eh? Let's do it together. Eh. Eh. That's great. How about this word? Can we try blending the sounds to read this word together? Okay, let's go. A. Ts. Once again. K. A. Ts. Let's read it a little faster now. K. A. Ts. K. A. Ts. Ka. Ts. Again. Ka. Ts. How about a little faster? Let's go. Cat. Once again. Cat. Oh, this is great. I'm glad you're doing fantastic. Now, I have a new letter to introduce you today, and I want to tell you a new story. Who would like to hear my story? Okay, my story is about my friend. Her name is Mimi. On Saturday, Mimi was suddenly so hungry. She looked at her watch, and it was lunchtime. So she went to her mommy. Mommy, I'm hungry. And her mommy said, oh, maybe that's okay. I made your favorite meal. Mimi went to the dining table and sat down, and she opened her plate, and it was a nice, garnished, scrumptious-looking plate of Indomie. Mimi guzzled her food down. When she finished, she rubbed her tummy and said, scrumptious. Mommy, thank you. This was delicious. Can we rub our tummies and say, Let's go. Again. Okay. Okay, jolly children. This is the sound Can we say it together? Okay. Rub your tummies with me and say Again. Okay. Now, children, I want to show you how to write Are you ready? I'm going to show you on the board. To write the sound you start from a point. You go down. You come back up on the same line. Go over the bridge. Come down. Go over the bridge again. Come down and end with a flick. Should we write that again? Okay, let's go. To write you start from a point. Make a stroke down. Go up on the same line. Go over the bridge. Go over the bridge again. And you end with a flick. Okay, jolly children. Can you tell me if this letter is a giraffe letter? Does it have a long neck? Is it a monkey-tailed letter? Does it have a tail that goes below the blue line? Or is this a turtle letter? Does it stay within the blue line? Fantastic! It's a turtle letter because it stays between the blue line. Okay, jolly children, let us try writing the letter with our elbows. Can you show me your elbow? This is my elbow. Let's go. To write you start at a point, make a downward stroke, up on the same line, go over the bridge again, and you end with a flick. Can we try that together? Let's go. To write you start at a point, make a stroke down, go up on the same line, go over the bridge, go over the bridge again, and you end with a flick. Wasn't that easy? Fantastic. Okay, jolly children, let us move forward into writing in our Jolly Phonics Pupils book. Are you ready? I will guide you. All right, children, here is my pencil. To write you start at a point, make a downward stroke, go up on the same line, go over the bridge, go over the bridge again, and you end with a flick. Can we try another one together? Okay. To write you start at a point, make a stroke down, go up on the same line, go over the bridge, go over the bridge again, and you end with a flick. Let's try doing one without the dotted lines. Okay, let's go. To write you start at a point, go down, go up on the same line, go over the bridge again, and you end with a flick. I think mine looks great. Does yours look great? I'm sure it does. Fantastic. All right. Let us try blending some sounds to read words that have in it. Are you ready? Okay. Here is my first word. Can you see it? All right. When I place my pencil on the sound button, I want you to call out the sound with me. Shall we do it together? Let's go. Again. Shall we try doing that a little faster? Okay, let's go. Now let's blend it even faster. Man. I hope you got that. What does this word say? Man. Fantastic. Our next word, we're going to try reading it with the blending song. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. And the song goes like this. And together make me. When you take and put it at the end, makes men. Fantastic. Shall we sing it again? Okay. And together make me. When you take and put it at the end, makes men. Fantastic. Okay, jolly children, you did great. A sound clap. Fantastic. Now we're moving forward into our sounding section. Are you excited? Here again are 4 pictures. 3 of these pictures have in them and 1 does not. I want you to point to the one that does not and I will cross it out, okay? Let's go. Our first picture is that of a net. Can you say net? Net. Does the word net have in it? Can you hear in net? No. So what do? We cross it out. Okay? Our next picture is a picture of a lamp. Can you say lamp? Lamp. I feel like you might not have seen this before. This is a kerosene lamp. Okay. Can you hear the sound in lamp? Yes, we can. Is it at the beginning, at the middle, or at the end of the word? At the middle. That's correct. Our third picture is a picture of a drum. Can you hear when I say drum? That's good. Can you hear at the beginning, at the middle, or at the end of the word? At the end. That's good. Our next picture is a picture of a mug. Can you say mug? Mug. Do you hear when I say mug? Yes, we do. Okay. Is at the beginning, at the middle, or at the end of the word mug? At the beginning. Oh, that's great. All right. You have done a great job so far. I'd like you to write some words for me. This is a classroom activity, so please bring out your pencils and your exercise books at home. Are you ready? Okay. Please spell Please spell mat. Mat. Should I take that again? Please spell Now spell mat. Great job, everyone. Okay. Thank you so much for joining me on this lesson. I hope you learned something new. We'll move forward now into listening to our jolly song for the sound But let me say bye-bye.
The mom and the dad make many meals. The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children.
Jolly phonics for every child today. Jolly phonics, the easy way to reach. Jolly phonics, a short good way to teach. Jolly phonics, a fun-filled way to learn. Jolly phonics for every child today.